In this video, I will walk you through an in-depth Slimtide review to help you decide which package offers the best value for your health journey. When comparing the available options, the primary contrast lies between short-term testing and long-term metabolic support. The basic offer includes 2 bottles for a 60-day supply at $79 each, though it does require an additional shipping fee. In contrast, the best offer provides the most significant trade-off in terms of upfront cost versus savings. By choosing the 6-bottle package, the price drops to $49 per bottle, saving you a massive $780 while including free shipping. For those looking for a middle ground, the most popular 3-bottle supply balances the budget at $69 per bottle. Beyond the pricing tiers, the standout feature of this supplement is its formulation as a symbiotic, combining prebiotics and probiotics within vegetarian capsules to support the gut microbiome. Regardless of which option you choose, there is a consistent safety net across all tiers, a 60-day 100% satisfaction money-back guarantee. This ensures you can test how the formula aids your digestive health and metabolic pathways without financial risk. While the 2-bottle start is fine for beginners, the 6-bottle bundle clearly wins for those committed to a full 180-day routine. Hopefully, this comparison helps clarify which Slimtide bundle fits your specific needs. If you found this breakdown helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe for more supplement reviews. Leave a comment below, letting me know which package you think is the best deal.